My music fights against the system that teaches to live and die. As a man sow, shall he reap. And I know that talk is cheap. But the heat of the battle is as sweet as the victory. Rastafari not a culture, it's a reality. I've been here before and will come again, but I'm not going this trip through. God sent me on earth. He sent me to do something, and nobody can stop me. If God want to stop me, then I stop. Man never can. You have to be someone. Prejudice is a chain, it can hold you. If you prejudice, you can't move, you keep prejudice for years. Never get nowhere with that. Me only have one ambition, you know. I only have one thing I really like to see happen. I like to see mankind live together, black, white, Chinese, everyone, that's all. Bob Marley isn't my name. I don't even know my name yet. People want to listen to a message, word from Jah. This could be passed through me or anybody. I am not a leader. Messenger. The words of the songs, not the person, is what attracts people. It take many a year, mon, and maybe some bloodshed must be, but righteousness someday prevail. What important is man should live in righteousness, in natural love for mankind. Life is one big road with lots of signs. So when you're riding through the ruts, don't complicate your mind. Flee from hate, mischief and jealousy. Don't bury your thoughts, put your vision to reality. Wake up and live. Babylon is everywhere. You have wrong and you have right. Wrong is what we call Babylon, wrong things. That is what Babylon is to me. I could have born in England, I could have born in America, it make no difference where me born, because there is Babylon everywhere. You're not supposed to feel down over whatever happened to you. I mean, you're supposed to use whatever happened to you as some type of upper, not a downer. My music will go on forever. Maybe it's a fool say that, but when me know facts me can say facts. My music will go on forever. I don't know how to live good. I only know how to suffer. The devil ain't got no power over me. The devil come, and me shake hands with the devil. Devil have his part to play. Devil's a good friend, too, because when you don't know him, that's the time he can mosh you down. Me is a common sense man. That mean when me explain things, me explain it in a very simple way. That mean if I explain it to a baby, the baby will understand too, you know. Don't gain the world and lose your soul, wisdom is better than silver or gold. The good times of today are the sad thoughts of tomorrow. If you get down and quarrel every day, you're saying prayers to the devil, I say. Herb is the healing of a nation, alcohol is the destruction.